It's too late. Hope seems all but lost. The disease progressed before they even knew they had it. If only they had known about it earlier. If only they had started treatment earlier. Things could have been a lot different. Early detection of disease is the only hope for mankind. Our vision at SD is to give people hope for the future. After the founding of the company in 1999, SD established its SD Bio R&D Center and developed various immunoassay detectors. In 2003, SD was listed on the COSDAC and developed a SARS test kit that captured the global spotlight. In 2006, SD established its first overseas production facility in India. SD also developed the world's first influenza H1N1 pandemic test in a joint R&D with Korea CDC in 2009. In 2010, SD joined the world's largest POCT company, Alere. Opening a local branch in Ethiopia in 2011, SD achieved continuous growth for over a decade. After becoming a leader in the Korean market within a short period of time, SD became a global enterprise through an extensive distribution network as it prepares for a healthier future for mankind. The best product. SD's Rapid Tests product line includes an HIV rapid test, which has made the SD brand well known throughout the world. The Malaria Rapid Test, which recorded the global sales #1, with over 100 million tests sold over the past 2 years. The SD Dengue Duo Test, which is the world's first kit capable of testing dengue antigens and antibodies simultaneously. The Syphilis Test, proven for its accuracy through clinical trials in various countries by the WHO. The Influenza Antigen H1N1 Test, developed for the first time in the world in a joint research with Korea CDC. Various enteric disease test kits, such as norovirus and rotaadenovirus tests. Various other infectious disease test kits, as well as tumor marker tests, cardiac marker tests, fertility hormone tests, drug abuse tests, forensic tests, and biodefense pathogens and toxins tests. And SD also manufactures the ELISA kit for diagnosing hepatitis and various infectious diseases. In an effort to meet customers' various needs, it has established a urine strip manufacturing system, and it is supplying world-leading urine strips and analyzers, Eurometers 720 and 120. Furthermore, SD's subsidiary company, BioNote, exports veterinary diagnostic tests for over 70 different pets and livestock animals to 80 countries around the world, including the US and Japan. The world's first rapid avian influenza rapid test, developed by BioNote in 2005, is still used today as a global standard. SD's various rapid test kits make it possible to diagnose various illnesses through a simple process, now being used widely around the world for protecting people's health. The best research and development. SD possesses a rich pool of R&D resources and reinvests over 10% of its sales annually into R&D. SD is the world's only company capable of manufacturing raw materials to final products in an integrated system. In addition to unparalleled technologies in production of recombinant antigens using a high-expression vector system and protein refolding technologies, SD also possesses core pharmaceutical technologies such as recombinant antibody and monoclonal antibody production technologies, and gold conjugate production technologies, in which SD was the world's third to succeed in commercialization. Based on these advanced technologies, SD was the world's first to develop tests for SARS, AI, and influenza H1N1. It carries out over 10 government-funded research projects every year. Furthermore, it is continuously carrying out joint researches with international organizations, including the development of the HAT rapid test in collaboration with FIND. 176 of the items researched and developed by SD have been approved by KFDA. Furthermore, SD's HIV, syphilis, malaria, and hepatitis test kits all have acquired recognition of outstanding quality through strict pre-qualification process from the WHO, CE, and many other countries. This outstanding achievement was made possible by SD's endless challenges in every R&D field. The best production and quality control. SD manufactures raw materials such as antigens, antibodies, and gold conjugates in-house based on its outstanding R&D achievements, and operates an integrated in-house mass production system. SD maintains an automated production facility that meets GMP standards and an efficient production system with an annual production capacity of over 300 million tests to meet customers' supply demands. Furthermore, SD is dedicated to strict quality assurance and quality control that meets ISO 13485 standards in every process from production of raw materials to final products, making sure that every product meets the highest quality standards. As a result, SD's malaria antigen PF products became the world's first to pass the WHO's pre-qualification. HIV, malaria, syphilis, and hepatitis B products manufactured under strict quality control are supplied to various international organizations such as the WHO, UNICEF, and MSF on a long-term contractual basis. The best marketing and sales. One of SD's strongest competitive strengths lies in its marketing and sales. With 14 regional distributors in major cities of Korea, SD occupies 70% of Korea's rapid test markets. Through 160 dealers covering 135 countries in Africa, Asia, America, Europe, and the Middle East, SD shows a steady growth of 40% in annual sales over the past 3 years. From participating in various international exhibitions and supporting local seminars, trainings, and clinical evaluations, SD is carrying out field-oriented marketing and sales. To lead the next decade, SD is now dedicated to the development of molecular-based POCT solutions to offer on-site diagnosis and early prediction of disease. Hoping that more people can smile with happiness. Hoping that we open the door to greater possibilities. SD will do its part in bringing hope to people around the world.